TikTok made me buy this. Gourmet cookies made by Molly Bees. And this is the 3-pack in a box designed to look like an oven. There's the stove top. There is the oven window. Inside are delicious cookies. These aren't the cookies your Grammy used to make, because these are amazing gourmet cookies. I got the maraschino cherry cookies. We have chocolate, maraschino cherries, and amaretto flavoring. So let's get into it. Open up the oven. Take out the delicious cookie. Be cordial. That is a massive cookie. See, look how soft these things are. Oh my goodness. Packed with deliciousness. I'm salivating. So let's take a bite. This is so good. Oh my gosh. This is so good. The perfect softness. This cherry's gonna be gone. Say goodbye. Bye, cherry. I cannot tell you how delicious this cookie is. I'm going to eat all 3. Peace. I'm gonna order a different flavor now. These are like the best cookies ever.